Assalamu alaikum my dear children. I'm back with the last part of the 10th lesson, that is weather and seasons. In the previous video we have learned about what is weather and what is climate. Weather is nothing but weather may change from day to day or even from hour to hour, and climate is nothing but the weather of a place for long time. And also we have gone through two seasons, that is summer and monsoon. So let's continue our discussion from here. That is, we wear raincoats and carry umbrellas when we have to go out in the rain. Sometimes we have fun splashing the water in the puddles. And usually when it rains, whenever you want to go out, children, what you wear? You wear raincoats and you carry umbrellas so that we won't get wet, isn't it? And sometimes we have fun splashing the water in the puddles. Puddles mean nothing but it's a pits in the ground. In that the water gets stagnated, and what usually the children do while walking on the road, if they see these puddles, they will start playing with that, and we have a lot of fun. Next season is the winter. What is winter season? It is the coldest season of the year. Winter is Joy's favorite season. Read what Joyce says about winter. So winter is a favorite season of Joy, it seems. And here what Joy is telling about the winter, let's see that. I love winters. It is often very cold outside, so we cover our body with woolen clothes and enjoy the sun. So he's telling that Joy, he loved winter season, it seems. Why? Because it will be usually very cold outside, and what we do inside the house, we cover our body with the woolen clothes, isn't it? Our sweaters usually it is made up of woolen only. So we wear the woolen clothes so that we keep our body warm and we enjoy the sun during the day. I enjoy sipping hot drinks and curling up in bed with a book. He's also interested in sipping the hot drinks during the winter season. Sipping the hot drinks means like tea or coffee. If we drink this tea and coffee during the winters, it will be very good feeling. It will create the warmth in our body, isn't it? So we enjoy that. And curling up in bed with a book, like he is doing, isn't it? So this is called as a curling up in a bed with the book. Our cousin Ritu stays up in the hills. Once when we visited her during winter, it snowed there. It was wonderful and covered with snow. Everything became white. So Joy and Millie's cousin Ritu, where he stays means he stays in the hills, it seems. So this is a hilly place. And once what happened means Joy and Millie, they visited her, it seems, visited Ritu during winter season. So usually in these places it snows a lot, okay, and it was very wonderful, it seems, and covered with snow. Everything became so white because of the snow. Next, spring season falls between the winter and summer. So this season comes in between between these 2 months, that is winter and summer, and it is the most colorful season of the year. Find out why from Misha. So spring season is nothing but it's a colorful season. In this season usually the flowers bloom, and it will be very green and very colorful. I love spring. During this season plants grow new leaves and colorful flowers bloom. It is not too hot or too cold. We go for picnics in spring. So in this season what will happen, the plants will grow the new leaves and colorful flowers will bloom. And in this season is neither too hot nor too cold, and usually in this spring you can go for picnics. Why? Because it is not too hot, not too cold. Next, you have read about Millie, Paki, Joy and Misha's favorite season. Now tell your friends what your favorite season is and what you enjoy in your favorite season. So here Millie, Paki, Joy and Misha, they told about their favorite seasons, and they also said how they enjoy that season. So here you have to discuss with your parents which season do you like and what you do in that season, okay. Next, here is one activity given. There are 4 seasons that come during the same time each year. In a calendar, mark out the months in which the various seasons fall in your city. So you have to mark in the calendar in which one the different seasons fall in your city. You have to mark in the calendar. Next, brush up. Let's have a glance over the complete lesson. What is weather? Weather may change from day to day or even from hour to hour. There are 4 main seasons in India. What are they? summer, winter, monsoon and spring. And monsoon is very important for farmers. Okay, so well, that's it children. It was the end of the 10th lesson. We'll catch up in the next video with the new lesson. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. Allah Hafiz.